Uy, anong gusto mo, ha? You want to go out? Ha? You ask daddy. Sabi mo, daddy. Sabi ka kay daddy. You want to go out? You're telling mommy? You want mommy to open the door? Ha? Oh, Gucci boy. Kung mabubuksan mo yung pinto, mommy will allow you. Sige, you open the door. If you can go out, sige, go. Buksan mo na yung pinto. Oh, pag ma-open mo yung door, lalabas ka. Hindi mo ma-open. Ha? Kaya mo yan. You want to go out, di ba? Ay, ayaw. Kaya mo yan.
Hindi niya mabubuksan yan kasi nakalock. O, ayan.
It's locked. Oh. Oh, binuksan na ni Daddy. Daddy, open the door. Sige na. You go out na. Let's have a deal. If you can open the door, you can go out. Okay? Shh. Uy. Gucci boy. Oh, sige na. Abas na. Go na. Why? Ang sabi daddy, ayaw kanyang help. You ask help from daddy so he can help you. You want to go out? Huh? Gooch. Shh. Sad boy ka na? Lena? I thought you want to go out. Yan, yung tubigan niya. And mommy's. Shh. Sus, kawawa. Hindi siya makalabas. Hindi siya makalabas. Oh, ano na? Now we're going out na, ha? Okay na. I rest my case. Bye-bye, boo. Init ulo mo because you can go out. Okay lang yan. You're wearing naman pink shirt.